Amy from Mummy Mojo, and I wanted to say a huge thank you for joining me here on the 30-day Mojo Detox. This is a lifestyle detox, so not only are you going to cleanse your body from the inside out, you're also going to look at detoxing other areas of your life, including your home, your environment, your relationships, your emotions, and even just the relationship that you have with yourself. So it is a full holistic lifestyle detox, and one that I really believe you're going to get lots and lots of benefit from. What's going to be great about this journey is that we're going to connect with you in a number of different ways. So you're going to be getting these daily text messages, which are just little tidbits for you to take on. They're generally pretty easy to do, and what they will do is they'll get your day started in the right way. You take on one of those tips, and then you're going to want to keep going with the rest of it. So the newsletters will be coming to you a few times a week, and I really encourage you to put aside a specific time to look at these. And what you can do is you can decide how you want to take on the information. So there will be video tutorials for those of you that are, visual like myself, or you just like to sort of get kinesthetic and get engaged in the process in that way, then they're going to be fantastic. But there's also going to be worksheets and features and information that other people, if they take information in that way, they can read and do in their own time. I'd also encourage you to really get on top of the information that comes out to you on a Friday, because in this is going to be your shopping lists and your menus, so then you've got that weekend to plan for the week ahead. And I'm going to give you advice on how to get the best organic foods, where you can get skin brushes and other tools and supplements that you might need. I know that everyone's financial situation is very, very different, and that is why we haven't made this an expensive program that includes a lot of supplements and other things. What we have done is given you the best program that you can do just with food alone. But we are going to encourage you to enhance that, and we'll give you some cheap but valuable ways to do that. And then for those of you that have done many of our detoxes before, and this is like second nature, then you can take on our booster tips. And we are going to include this time a parasite cleanse. We're going to include some information on yucky enemas, but they are fantastic. And just upping the ante when it comes to other detox techniques and methods that can really enhance what you get out of it. But as I said, if you just take on some of the food choices, and if you eliminate some of those things from your diet, like alcohol, your white carbs, processed foods, it's going to make a huge difference just by doing that alone. And what this is it's about taking steps each and every day. It's not about taking it all on at once. And we'll encourage you, and that's the way the process runs, is that each day you take on a little step, then you take on another one, and it starts to build momentum. We're going to start off with food because it's really good for us to start getting our body into a healthy, optimum feeling that it's actually naturally meant to be in. And once you start feeling a little bit healthier and a little bit more energized, you're more likely to take on the other things. We're then going to move into looking at drainage, so looking at your liver and kidneys, and also looking at skin as a very important system in the body to get rid of toxins. And then we're going to move into your home environment, looking at the products you use on your skin, what you absorb, what you take in. And from there, we're going to look at the deeper stuff, which really is what we all need to address in life. And that's looking at our self-love, our self-care, our emotions and our relationships. Are they toxic, or are they really fulfilling us and giving us everything we need in life to live a happy, healthy and fulfilled life? And for all you mamas out there, hopefully you're going to feel healthy, happy and a little hotter at the end of it. I'm going to be there every step of the way. We've got this wonderful group of like-minded women. It's like a sisterhood, and yes, there are some dads in there too, and dads, you're all so welcome. We've got this wonderful group where we all connect and engage, we inspire each other, we motivate each other, and I'll be in there every day to give you advice and to give you information and to share my learnings and how I've incorporated detox into my life to be where I am today. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful transformational journey. I promise you, if you stick to the program and you follow some of my advice, if not all of it, but at least some of it, you will feel so much better than when you started. Thank you so much for joining Mummy Mojo, and welcome to our tribe.